So which speed do I recommend? You probably expect me to say the number, but the criteria you should set your speed on will depend on first the sound, and the distance between the dots that you create on latex. It should be around 1.5 millimeter. And unfortunately, from machine to machine and using different power supplies, the speed number will be different. So let's watch the video. Right now you will hear and see the speed that is gentle to the skin and is correct. But if you set up the same speed on another power supply, you will hear the sound is way higher and the dots are so close together, almost forming a line. Let's hear the difference one more time. So now I'm going to bring down the speed to 3.5 volt to match with critical power supply. And you will hear the speed sound almost the same. And finally, I can create nice distance between the dots on latex. Let's hear again how the nice speed should sound like. So to sum up, let's hear the sounds on all devices and power supplies and see at the end the proper distance between the dots, 1.5 millimeter.